In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add action button on your Facebook page. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the setting and how to pick the right call to action for your page so visitors can take the next step with you quickly and confidently. First, open your Facebook page while logged into the account that manages it. Make sure you're on the actual page view, not your personal profile. At the top of the page, near your cover image, look for the three dots icon. This icon opens a quick menu of page options. On desktop, it's typically toward the right side of the header. On mobile, it may appear under a More or Options area. Click or tap those three dots to open the menu. Inside this menu, you're looking for the option labeled Action Button. Depending on your page's setup, it might say Add Action Button if you haven't created one yet, or Edit Action Button if you already have one in place. If you don't see it immediately, scroll through the menu or expand any additional options. Interface labels can shift slightly from time to time, but the wording will be very close to Action Button. When you open the Action Button settings, you'll see choices for what you want people to do. The common options are Book Now, Sign Up, or Start Order. Pick the one that aligns best with your goal and the type of page you run. If you take appointments, like consultations, classes, or services, Book Now is a clear, direct prompt that guides visitors into scheduling. If your priority is growing a list or a membership, sign up is ideal for newsletters, waitlists, or free trials. And if you sell food or products for immediate purchase, Start Order gets people straight into ordering without extra steps. Choose one option and match it to the experience you want users to have. Think about what your audience expects when they arrive on your page and make the wording consistent with your cover image and bio. Clear, simple language works best. After you select your choice, the action button will appear prominently beneath your cover image, making it easy for visitors to act right away. You can revisit the same three dots menu and return to the action button anytime to adjust it as your goals change. Switch from sign up to book now for a new campaign, or swap to start order during a special promotion. That's all there is to it. You've added a focused call to action that helps turn page visitors into customers, subscribers, or orders with a single tap.